So what we're going to talk about today is how to live off of your thumb drive. A lot of people go out and use other people's computers and you have no idea what applications are on there, which ones work, which ones don't work. So it's always good to have everything you need at your fingertips, and you can do that with portable apps. So portableapps.com is a suite of applications that you can install on a thumb drive, and it's really easy to use. So after you install the basic portable app suite on your thumb drive, it'll auto run when you put it in your computer, and you'll be able to get a menu like this that you can run your apps directly from. So what apps would I recommend? Definitely 7-Zip is a great compressor. That's something nice to have on your thumb drive. Definitely you want to have the Open Office suite. It just gives you the power to open up pretty much anything right from your thumb drive. So if you go somewhere and the computer doesn't have PowerPoint or whatever, you have it right there at your fingertips. Notepad++ is a good one. It's a text editor. It's a lot more powerful than Windows Notepad, and definitely want to keep that one. Now there's some other ones I'm going to show you how to install. If you want to install an app, you download it at portableapps.com. That's the best place to download it. Go to Options, go to Install a new app, and all you have to do from here is navigate to the application that you want to install. I'm going to install Lightscreen, which will let me take screenshots of the computer that I'm working on. So that's a great one. So it just comes up and all we do is run it, and this will install it directly on your thumb drive. Lightscreen is installed, so we can go ahead and click Finish. Let's go back down here, open up our Portable Apps control panel again, and we're going to install another application. This is a great one too. It's called VLC Portable, and this is a media player that'll play pretty much anything you can throw at it. It covers just about any codec out there, music, video, pretty much anything. That's almost a must-have, because a lot of times you'll go and the computer that you're using just doesn't have the extensions or codecs that you need to play the file. So this is a great one to have too. So we're going to go ahead and install that one. Just go through the install process, and that'll take a couple seconds. Okay, so now we have VLC Media Center Media Player installed, so go ahead and click Finish. So now let's take a look at our Open Apps Center. You see we have Lightscreen Portable in there now, and there's our VLC Media Player Portable. So let's just go ahead and check out Lightscreen real quick. Okay, so Lightscreen pops open right here. Let's look at the options. This is the directory that we want to save the images to, so this will install it right on our thumb drive, which is what we want. File name would be screenshot.number if we want them numbered, or if we want to organize them by date, we can date them. Or if we want the date in front, we can just switch that over. JPEG format, we can run Lightscreen at system startup if we want to. That way, as soon as you plug in your thumb drive, it'll run, and then you can use it immediately. Hotkeys, that's the default print screen button. We can leave that as it is or change it if you want to. I'm going to leave it because that just makes the most sense. Other options there, you can play around with those. Options in here. Okay, so we're just going to leave those all the same. So let's go ahead and click OK. Now we have our little box up here. Let's test it out. Let's go ahead. I'm going to hit print screen. Okay, now let's see what happens here. If everything worked correctly, we should have an image in My Pictures, and right there it is. So to review a little bit, Open Apps is the website you can go to that helps you install all this stuff. Look around in there. I mean, you can see that there's tons of different things that you can install. Some of it I'm sure you'd definitely find useful. And that's how you can live off of your thumb drive.